Sift supports 8 panel types. In the next 3 minutes, you'll see each one and when to reach for it. I'm Jeremy, on the Explore team at Sift. Panel types match the data to your questions. There are 8 different panel types you can use to further explore your data. I'm going to show you each. The first group of panels answers one question. What is the signal doing over time? Time series is the workhorse, a channel plotted against time, the default way to read any measurement. Table gives you the same data in rows. Reach for a table when the exact values matter more than the shape. Timestamps of events, readings at specific moments, data you're going to copy into a report. File Viewer brings video, images, or documents into the same layout as your signals. Watch a test run play while the telemetry scrolls underneath. Everything stays time aligned. The second group answers a different question. What is the data telling you about itself? Histogram shows how often values fall into each range. One glance tells you whether a signal is centered where you expected and whether the tails are where the surprises live. FFT takes a time domain signal and shows you its frequency content. Any time you suspect a vibration, a resonance, or a periodic behavior, FFT is where you confirm it. Scatterplot puts one channel against another. Use it to see the relationship between two measurements, whether pressure tracks temperature, whether current follows command. Metrics is a single number with context. A min, max, average, or any computed value, displayed large. Use it when the answer to your question is one number and you want it visible at a glance. The third group answers one more question. Where did this happen? GeoMap plots GPS channels on a map. Anywhere the asset moved, you can see the track. Anywhere something happened, you can pin the data to a location. Every panel shares the same time range and the same crosshair. So the view is one coordinated picture of your data. 8 ways to ask a question, 1 frame to answer it. Match the panel type to the question. Time for shape, frequency for behavior, and map for location. Open Sift and add a panel type you haven't tried before.